Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do Craft Lab D-Stash number 3. This is a discount D-Stash of items from a variety of discount type stores, including Dollar Tree, Walmart, FiveBelow, Target, and even something from Amazon. So the first item I have is this chalkboard from Dollar Tree. I believe you can use the chalk markers on this and you can make signs. You can add it to other projects. I've seen that done quite a bit. But yeah, so there's the chalkboard. Then I have these 4x6 notebooks. These are from Dollar Tree also, and there's 6 of them in this little baggie. So this is one design. I'm going to try and show you all the different designs. So there's a floral. This one has a quote. Then these are more fall themed, but of course you can cover them. Another fall theme. Let me turn it around so you can see what's actually on here. So that's the hello with the fox, the notes with the owl, and then this one is the bear. So let's see if I can get those back in there. Okay, so that's the notebooks. Then we have this morning, noon, night list pad. I think, yes, this is from the Target Dollar Spot. Then we have these 2 notebooks. They are 5 3/4 by 8 1/2. So they're a little bigger than A5, I think, or a little bigger than half letter. So they actually could be trimmed down to half letter. But I think they would fit in an A5 traveler's notebook if that was what you wanted to do with them. This one says Dream Big. This one says Killing It, and it's in silver foil. They have 40 sheets each. So that is that. Then we have the travel planner from Walmart, Pen and Gear. I went through this in the video when I hauled this, but this is what's inside. Places I want to go. This is a travel bucket list. Where I've been. That's pretty cool. Travel tips, emergency contacts, packing lists, savings tracker, pre-trip checklist. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So it has travel plans, trip destination, 60-day countdown, itinerary, road trip, flight details, getting around accommodations, and then things to do, trip bucket list, outfit planner, daily journal, memories, expense tracker. And then it has the different sections of expenses you have when you're traveling. And then I think it repeats. Yes. So you go from the travel plans to the 60-day countdown, itinerary, all of that over again. So if there's room for multiple trips, I think 3 or 4. Yeah, I think 4. So then in the back, you have a sing-along challenge. These are travel games, riddles. Don't hesitate, scavenger hunt. And the paper is nice and thick. It's not like flimsy, thin paper. So it has really nice paper. It's designed kind of like a composition notebook. And let's see. It has 80 pages. I don't see the size, so it is 5 1/2 by 7 1/2. So there's that. Then we have the budget version from Pen and Gear, 80 pages, very colorful, same size, 5 1/2 by 7 1/2. You have the yearly overview, financial goals, taxes, yearly subscription information. So this is really good for those recurring charges. And then it has a monthly budget, monthly spending summary, and monthly budget, monthly spending summary, and then it just repeats. And I'm not sure how many months are in here, but there's quite a few. Again, I went through it in more detail in one of my haul videos, so I will try to find that video and link it in the iCard so that you can see more detail. Then we also have one. These were from Walmart. Then we have one of the Dollar Tree Traveler's Notebooks. This is the floral one. This is what it looks like on the inside. The notebooks are covered with craft paper, and there's lined paper on the inside. I don't think it says 60 sheets, and they are 4 by 5.71. Let's see. So yeah, 4 by. So that's approximately A6 size. So I'm pretty sure you could get A6 inserts in here. Okay. So there's that. Then we have 2 of the disc-bound notebooks. These are unopened, but this one has the green paper, the llamas with the blue disc. These are micro size, so 3 by 4. This one they have 60 sheets each. This one has the orange paper, and the cover says it's the little things in life, and this is the color scheme of the cover with the pink disc. So there's that. Then we have sticker books. Let's make some room. So, okay. These are Dollar Tree sticker books. Trying to give you a better look. So this is what's in here. I think I've used 1 sticker, the shades right there. And I didn't even realize I had done that. But this is what it looks like. It's very summery. Got gold foil. And I did use 3 of these strips out of this one. And there's that. Here's some boxes. Some fluorescent. And then that's it for that sticker book. Has 265 pieces minus the 4 pieces I used. And this is everything that's included. Then we have this one, 297 pieces. This is what's inside. We'll do a quick flip. So you got the unicorns, diamonds, hearts, balloons, crowns, rainbows. Got gold foil on these boxes. Got some more pastel looking boxes and stickers with gold foil. Got more fluorescents. Some boxes, checklists, gold stars, weekend, happiness, days of the week. Fluorescent. These are more like journaling stickers. And so that's it for that one. Then this one got I call these Planner Girl colors, the teal, the pink, the black. So that's what that one looks like. You got some boxes, some numbers, some black, white, and gold. fluorescent, some more Planner Girl colors, the fluorescent again, and that's it. So then from FiveBelow, I have this set of 4 black ink pens. So they are really pretty colors with gold accents. It's a nice set. And then I also have this fine liner 36 color pen set. And these are really fine liners. These are from Amazon. 36 fine line color pens. So we also have this pack of stickers. I don't know what happened to that one sticker. I think it was like that. I may have used it. I don't know. But they are gold foil with different words on them. We have stencil, heart stencil, the butterfly stencil, bird stencil, and the floral stencil. We also have a cutting mat. This is all from Dollar Tree. So we got the cutting mat. We have another sticker book. This one is from Walmart, 500 stickers, and this is what it looks like. Got large boxes, pastel type colors, more boxes, call, meeting, email, due, large boxes, ideas, note to self, don't forget, remember, some icons, some square box, corner boxes, checklists, banners, square boxes, appointment boxes, header boxes, date night, payday, clean house, laundry day, yard work, workout, family time, run errands, chill day. Some of those are light. I can't really see them. A lot of icons here. Some more full boxes. These are weather stickers. And that's it. So that whole sticker book is unused. And then we have this little disc bound journal. This is from Target, My Endology. I don't know, but it has like the plastic cover, has these little discs on it. Let's see what size it is. God, I keep dropping on my washi tapes. This is 3 by 5, so like index card size. Pretty cute. Okay, so that is all of that. Where's my box? Let's see if everything will fit in the box. So I'm gonna pack this up. Let's see, put the notebooks on the bottom. These are bigger. They'll fit down in there. Then these. The pens. There's the chalkboard. I think we should put the chalkboard and the cutting mat on the very bottom. There we go. What's next? Should probably put the stencils under there too, so they can stay nice and flat. Stencils. Sticker book. Oh, these sticker books. They're gonna have to go this way. There we go. Oops. The stickers. Okay, so this box will be $35 shipped. Keep in mind that the box is like $15 to ship. So, and I will probably add a few more things in here. Yeah, I'll probably add a few more things. So that's discount D-Stash number, and this is D-Stash number 3. If you would like to purchase this box, visit my website, Scrapcraftastic.com, and use the contact form to contact me. Send me your PayPal email address. We will be using a PayPal invoice instead of friends and family, so that you as the buyer and I as the seller will be protected. Again, that's $35 shipped. The box is ready to go. This is US only. Once you receive the invoice, you will have 8 hours to pay the invoice. If you do not pay within the 8 hours, then I will move to the next person in line, because this is first come, first serve. If you like these stash videos, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.